So this is your car, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Hands up!
Driver and all passengers, hands up!
It's registered to you and everything.
Yes.
Driver, step out of the vehicle with your hands up.
Face away from us.
me.
Face forward.
Driver, take 3 steps to your
Face
left.
forward.
Face forward.
Face forward.
Face the other way.
The reason why we're doing this, okay, we had a hit on your vehicle saying that it was stolen.
We'll move up, clear it from the side. While
Okay.
they got ready.
Back, everybody. As many of you guys know, I'm a law enforcement trainer instructor. I train and instruct military and law enforcement all over the country on various law enforcement disciplines to include constitutional law, case law, patrol tactics, use of force, advanced criminal investigations, etc. And here in this video, we can just see the cops fumble this one. They really did. This is a high-risk stop, also known as a felony stop. Just gone wrong. I just see incompetency. And again, I'm looking at this obviously from, a law enforcement perspective, and as somebody that teaches use of force. Again, I just see incompetency. Incompetency to the fact that they're not even communicating well. Usually for situations like this, I always like to train that one officer makes call outs while the other ones maintain whatever their safety parameters are. So for a high risk stop, I imagine somebody would maintain lethal coverage, and then if you had enough people and you were needing to do some kind of non-lethal takedown, you can implement taser, beanbag rounds, etc., whatever non-lethals that you're trained on. But here, clearly, we see that it's just it's so incompetent. The guy just is kind of like, "Are you serious?" Puts his arms down. You can see his just demeanor is just defeated. Like, it's ridiculous because, again, their communications are so bad. Somebody that's trying to follow their instructions is unable to follow their instructions. And then to add insult to injury, they got the wrong car. You would think that, before you initiated that stop, somebody would have ran the tag just to verify it is what it is that they're looking for. A verification process like that takes, a couple seconds. But they didn't even have the common decency or competency to do that. So it is what it is. I mean, and don't be wrong, do mistakes happen? They do. I'm not saying that. But a lot of taking away somebody's constitutional rights is not really it's not a small mistake. It's not one that, is not one that you should be so cavalier with. You know what I mean? And I'm saying that I've found stolen cars. I've conducted many felony stops in my career. Never done one unconstitutionally before, though. Never stopped a stolen car that didn't turn out to be stolen. You know what I mean? It's just, I don't know. I always make sure. I mean, I have ran tags that said stolen, and then I've verified twice, 3 times. Okay, so we're getting the right tag here. All right, let's light this thing up. You know what I mean? Again, those checks are just, they're important. Again, it's just my personal opinion. Yeah, but there you have it, man. What do you guys think about it? What do you think about this encounter? What do you think? Here's a better question. How would you want this to be held accountable? How would you guys want to see this dealt with? I'm curious to know what you guys have to say in the comment section below. As always, guys, long live the Republic.